I mean, there's OSDP today, right? We had OSDP v1, we had OSDP v2. Both are bidirectional communications channels. These things exist for the simple purpose of you have the ability to get status back from that reader, and readers can give you a lot of interesting data. There's the denied events that you get in a day, which speaks to how frequently are you being tested or phished in the physical world for monitoring and active monitoring by security personnel. And it also enables something that is often overlooked in the field today, reader maintenance. This is a device that has the ability to be upgraded the same way that you can upgrade your IoT equipment today, your routers, your firewalls, etc. And like with those higher security devices, you do need to do reader maintenance. We obviously release upgrades to the security implementations. We add new things to it, and we improve the overall experience. So there are those reasons that you do also want to have that bidirectional communication for scenarios where you are doing reader maintenance and active reader monitoring at a central location.
So we've had historically two ways to do reader maintenance for many, many, many years. We used config cards. And to be honest, we're moving away from config cards. I don't think there will be a 100% just gone. I think there may be onesie twosie, that you can acquire, maybe even with some special agreements. But we don't want to use config cards in the long run. So the tool that, of course, we do support now is Reader Manager. And for those that are following what we're doing with tools, you're going to hear about Link, which is an on-prem tool, a cloud tool, and soon, later this year, a mobile version of that tool, which will eventually replace Reader Manager. But I guess the thing I just wanted to highlight here is, if possible, try to move away and frankly destroy old config cards and get yourself moved on, get your integrators, your installers, your maintainers, make sure that they're using Reader Manager, because that's the best practice when it comes to maintaining your readers for a number of different reasons.